Do you know the difference between the article and the letter A? Don't confuse them. Again, don't. They are not the same. When you say the article it makes two different sounds depending on the situations it is occupying or the position it's occupying in words. Okay, for example, look at a dog, a university. Now, the same symbol can still make a sound, especially when you spell it. So I've just given you the secret right now. You say when you will read it or you will speak it. Okay? And is always common in phrases. And I've just given two examples right now. I said a dog, I said a university. But now, before you can use a, anytime you are speaking and you want to mention a, it has to come only when you are spelling. Exactly. I have with me here a short story. A short story that will emphasize on the pronunciation of when you spell and when you speak. Join me. A day with a little ant. Take note of my pronunciation of when I say take note of the instances I'm saying and take note of when I say a. Don't forget that, please. These are the two major focuses of the story. One bright morning, a boy found a little ant on a big, a big apple. He picked it with a stick and placed it on a leaf. The boy had a bag, and inside it are a toy car, a pen, and a book. He opened a page of the book and drew a house with a window and a door. He smiled, saying, "This is a home for a family." As he walked, he saw a man holding a cup and a plate. A cup and a plate. Nearby was a baby. Nearby was a woman with a baby in a chair. The boy waved and said, "This is a happy place. A happy place. A happy place." The ant kept crawling. He walked past a dog, even a cat, even a snake. The snake, of course, slithering through the forest. The boy clapped and spelled loudly, APPLE, apple. Then he pointed to the nest and spelled again, ANT, ant. At the end of the day, the boy wrote with a pen on a paper. A pen on a paper. Today, I have a journey, a smile, and a story to tell. Now, that'll be the end of our story today. But remember, and I need to let you know this as a secret, article always comes before a noun. Like a cap, a bag, a hat, a school, a table. But only need it when you are spelling. Don't forget this. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And don't forget to like, comment if you are very, if you are very, if you love this video, kindly comment and let me hear from you. Thank you. You're welcome to Love It once again.